In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to exit safe mode in Windows. Let's get started. First, simplest method is to restart your PC. Just click on the start menu, select restart, and in many cases, Windows will boot back into normal mode automatically. If that does not work, you can manually turn off safe mode by pressing Windows plus R or search for run, launch it. Now here you'll need to type in msconfig and press enter. In the system configuration window, go to boot tab and uncheck the safe boot option, then click apply and OK. Next, restart your PC. Another method is using command prompt. Search for CMD, click on the option run as administrator. Once you launch it, here you'll need to type in the command prompt bcdept / delete value, curly bracket, current. Now close the curly bracket, then type in safe boot and press enter. After that, restart your PC and it should exit safe mode and return to the normal startup. And that's it. These are the easiest ways to get a Windows system out of safe mode. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.